everyone. Have a wonderful day. It's Sunday morning here. And we have heard the aircon guy, Noidado. He is the one who do the cleaning of our aircon before on our rental house. Then we let him clean the aircons here in our house. Because it's been a while we do the cleaning on this one. How long was that, honey?
What?
We let him clean this one? 4 years ago.
4 years ago? Yeah.
Yeah, it was 4 years ago. Yeah, it's been a while since we transfer.
Dito pa Pikas.
When we are in San Roque before. And now, we observed that we need to do the cleaning again of the aircon. And also the other one, even though we did not really use it. Ha? Oh! My husband and I used to clean the, what do you call that one? The cover, honey? We used to clean the cover.
He's not going to take the whole case off, is he?
I think. You need to.
No, I don't think so. Dado and I slid this in.
Okay.
Okay!
Okay!
Don't stop him if he's trying to do that. This one, they take two
The
of
guy
us.
need to pull out this one, and he said no need help because this one is not quite heavy. How much horsepower is this one?
It's so little.
1.5.
1.5 horsepower?
1 horsepower?
One horsepower, yeah.
Ah. So this one is the 1 horsepower. Napagya po yung sangit. Oh. Okay. Bugat gyapon ni oy. Looks like still heavy.
Oh,
We went to their place last Wednesday, then we talked to him, and then yesterday also we went back there to make sure that he is only available Saturday and Sunday to do this work because they are the one working and doing the maintenance of the 7-Eleven here in Bohol for the aircons. Aircon ray mang kuano noy dito nila.
Tanang yun. Equipment, aircon, freezer, water heater.
All the equipment.
Equipment sa 7-Eleven tanang.
Paagas na ta. Magkuha na kag tubig. And all the equipment of 7-Eleven, they are doing the maintenance in there. Here in Bohol. Good thing he is available this time. Especially on Sunday, he is really available here in Talibon to do this work. Nasa day siya nagtuyok-tuyok mao din na yung pan. Gawa eh. Looks so very dirty. Murag limpyo sa gawas. Suot hugaw. Looks cleaner outside but the inside.
Kanina rin ako naabot.
Ingko. Natinga ko ingko. Ingon siya kanang gibuldos ko. May gibuldos din eh.
Yan, nira ko ng laktod.
Mao di ay.
Itong padong, Garcia Park.
It is good to clean the aircon because if it is dirty, it is not good to breathe the air. It is not good for your health. So that is why we like to do the cleaning of our aircon. Not only the outside but also the inside. Me and Scott usually clean the aircon every month but only the outside we cannot do the inside, and it is better we let the technician or the expert who can do the cleaning of the inside of our aircon. You can bring the unit to their place. If you have no time, you can let them also do the home service of cleaning the aircon. The aircon is put back in place. In there, it's already clean. And this one for home service, it costs us around 400 pesos for cleaning. But if you want to bring your unit to their place, it costs you around 300 to 350. But yeah, I guess this is more convenient that they will come to your house and do the cleaning. So I guess that is for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.